Good evening.
I didn't change any of your buttons.
What y'all saw was us just trying to redo or re-implement.
Let's try it and see.
What is that called? Where it's not like redo, but it's like that.
Reenact.
Reenact. It's another word. Anyway, trying to get this sound to appear in my car that I keep hearing, but then I take it to the dealership and 3 mechanics couldn't hear it. I'm like, it's there. It's making a noise. So we're gonna try to reenact it again, or there's another word.
We'll figure it out.
I will. It's something. Anyway, we're gonna try it again. That's a really pretty sunset.
It is really pretty.
Hey, look at that sunset.
How
lovely. Reminds me of Bob Ross.
Parking.
Alright, so we're gonna try it. Yeah.
Or is it mostly to the right?
I've heard it both ways, but try
We'll
it
do
to
it
the
both.
right.
Oh, let me do the
Out
right
here.
first.
Okay.
Nope.
Okay, try it to the right and
I don't know what you're talking about.
so frustrating. I've got to be able to recreate that sound so I can tell them I heard it. Oh, I did hear it again. Anyway, it just... My dog is barking. Anyway, I'll see you guys tomorrow.